Welcome to another video where we are diving into a fascinating world of descent pattern in Python. So today we are starting with one of the most intriguing ones, the Singleton descent pattern. The Singleton pattern ensures that a class has only one instant and provide a global point of access to that instant. So before going to this, we'll check why Singleton pattern. Before we going to inside the pattern itself, let's understand the problem is it addresses. In many software applications, there is a need to have a single point of control or access for a particular resource. The resource could be a configuration manager, a database connection, a logging service, or any other instance that should be shared among different parts of applications. So this singleton solution will check. This is where the singleton design patterns comes into the play. So it guarantees that a class has only one instance and offer a global way to access that instance. So how it works, we'll see how it's going to work that. Well, let's break into down to steps. So how singleton works? So it's unique instances. Singleton pattern ensure that there is only one instance of a class throughout the application life cycle. So it should not allow more than one instances. So that instance should be global access. So it provide a global point to access to this unique instance, and part of that application can easily obtain a reference to that singleton instances. In Python, we implement the singleton pattern using a combination of underscore double underscore new. This is actually the default function. This method is Using this method, we are implementing the singleton pattern. So this new method controls the instance creation process. So it will check if already instance is created, it will return. So it will check or if it is already exist, and if not, it will create. Subsequent attempt to create an instance return exiting one. So if already exist means it will return the exiting one. So this is the sample we have. We have a class singleton just here this name, any name you can give. So followed by a double underscore new function. So it will check is instant is there, then it will create. Otherwise, it will it will return the same instance. So this function always return. Either it will be the new instance or the already created instance. So other function we can write followed by any number of function you can write inside the class. So here is init singleton is a small function of initializing some data. So here we are calling this function two times. So no, sorry. Here we are initializing, creating instance of this class two times. One I have given in singleton variable and another is singleton 1 and 2. So here we are checking if they are the same instances. So then we'll print both are same, otherwise it will show different. So let's run this script. Control F5. See, this is single instance, this is single instance. So here I'm going to change that variable name for this only for particular. So using this is the main function double underscore new. This is checking already if instance is created. It will return the same instance. Otherwise, it will create a new instance. So it's useful for when we're creating a database connection. We know that only one time should be controlled to the database, or we some particular case user is logging some global configuration object we need. All this point we can use this singleton pattern. So this having will have global control, resource sharing,